Hello again, my loves. Time for another fun page kit that I got at She Loves Color 2023, so it's old. We're going to be using this photo. I didn't realize Jamie was holding the... What a weirdo. From our July crop, we went and got drinks and Mexican. I don't even know what I had, but it was really good. I think it was a banana daiquiri. It's my faves. So this is a Tracy Reed class. She had, well, Spiegel Mom Scrap, Sequins, Sunkissed. We'll be seeing those next year. We got some, this is everything that's left over. It's the last one. So I have some brads and some fussy cut items. A few sticker sheets, because this is all from the Echo Park Our Story Matters. Everybody used that last year. Oh, and this one as well. Then we've got all these pre-cut stuff. Okay. And then I got a full sticker sheet with it, but like I said, everybody seemed to use this collection last year, so I was just sticking them all together as they came up. Okay. So first, I need a bigger one of those that at least goes to 6 inches because it's very annoying that it doesn't. All right. So that is 4. Okay, so this is gonna have to be very, very close. To not taking off our heads, right? All right. So that's me, Jamie, Chris, and Megan. Megan, Chris, me, Jamie. Get that on there. All right. Now we just kind of do this little thing. Find out what is what. So there's that one. Looks like one goes there. Okay, but this goes all the way up, right? So make sure that we have enough pieces. All right, let's line this up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means that's going to go right there. I am going to go ahead and do this. Lock that in so we know where we're centered. And then this goes all the way there. And then this one's going to go all the way over here. Okay. Then next, and I'm going to tear them in half while I can. This one's going to go right there. And this one's going to go right here. And then actually I probably think we should switch this because this one seems like it's longer. Right, okay. And my thought process behind that is that I can make it work because I can add an embellishment. Excuse me. I can add an embellishment to cover up the fact that it doesn't quite reach, but it reached. Alright, this one goes here. This one, that's too long. I don't know what kind of cardstock we used here, but it's not what I would call high quality. Okay. And then we have this one. It comes there. What did I do wrong? I am not over far enough, you guys, and that is gonna suck, but that's okay. Because we've got other strips that have to come in here. Wow. Oh, we're gonna need more glue. Okay, so do have this guy left that he's supposed to go like right there. So we're just gonna start overlapping. All right, and now we're gonna use these guys. See, start covering everything up, and I'm going to use this whole sheet. I'm going to fill that all in, so give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, we've got those all completed, and I went ahead and added the embellishment clusters. Now we're just going to kind of go in here and see if we can just finish it off. Now, when I'm done, and anything that is left, by we, I mean me, I will go in and I will trim all these up, put them in a little Ziploc-y, and that is it. That's how that works. Let's go ahead and stick that guy there. Okay, and kind of want to add this in here. Title. Oh my god, I stuck that right on the title. Why didn't you guys stop me? Put that there. Drinks for fun. Oh, well, okay. Alright, that's going to do it. You can't see any of those tear lines. The only thing that I would like to add is a white doodle, right? This is a jelly roller. Actually works better than my G2 gel pen. So that's interesting. All right. And there we go. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If there's anything that you would like to see or do or have some fun, because you know I'm going to keep adding while I'm talking to you. right there. Leave that in the comments below, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye. I lied. Let's add some gold splatters, because that's what I've been doing lately. Everything's getting splatted up. Okay, now for real. I'm done. That's it. Love it. See you guys later.